mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. September 21, 2024, Saturday Racing. 7 races, lahat ng karera may distansyang 1,400 meter. Umpisa ng karera, alas 3 ng hapon. No bearing, no effect ang mga races. Pakarera ng mga trainer, BRHTAI. Race number 1, first choice number 3, Snow White. Second choice, number 8, Memory of the Sun. Third choice, number 1, Animo Lasal. Race 2, first choice number 8, Lucky Strike. Second choice number 7, Domsat 7. Race 3, first choice number 2, Espolarium. Second choice coupled entry 4, Hans City. 4A, Queen of the Nile. Race 4, first choice number 5, Mommy's Love. Second choice number 7, Ayuda. Third choice number 1, Lucky No No. Race 5, first choice number 3, Karing Melody. Second choice number 1, Light Bearer. Race 6, penultimate race, race na may pentapekta. Only choice number 9, Maria's Legacy. Last race, race 7, race na may Super 6. First choice number 1, Caraga Wonder. Second choice number 12, Bang. Third choice number 3, Go G Go. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!